Mentioned it was released today from the Cincinnati Cancer Center, and it shows that researchers there are saying that a new vaccine has some promise in fighting tumors. Medical reporter Liz Bonus tells us about it in today's Health Alert.
This study just released here from the UC Cancer Institute found that you could use the body's own immune system to fight cancer. This is a newer trend, and this is exciting research that we wanted to stop and tell you more about. Dr. John Morris was the study's principal investigator. His team here initially found that a vaccination targeting tumors produced what's called human interleukin 15. It activated a response in cancerous cells to stop them from growing. They then used this IL-15 to develop a whole tumor cell vaccine, as it's called. It worked against breast and prostate cancer cells. They found this leads to not only potentially greater survival, but also enhanced response by the body's immune system. Now, it is important to note that this is still in laboratory trials, as we call them, and human trials need to be conducted next. But this is the first step heading us that way. That might be one more way to use your own body to fight back. That is our Health Alert at the UC Cancer Institute. Liz Bonus, Local 12 News.